Ka kurim Menteri Rangba Kejela ka Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sang Maha ka arpunyo trik naiwing kala syim smai kum ka MLA batmai ka Gambegre constituency da ka bakut jingmut ban syim khia halor kimat bayadei bat ki jaka ajing sumar ka boarding electric bat ki surok kum kimat ki bahkmat jongka. Ka Dr. Mehtab kala syak pentian haulam phang ka ying dorbar thau an Thomas Sangma ha ka jinga don lang Menteri Rangba ubadeiru National President ka NPP u Konrad K Sangma nalor kinong yalam bahkmat bar kinong kitkam ka parti. Ka Dr. Mehtab kala long ka MLA kenthei ka basaw hapo ka ying dorbar thau an hadin bakala pelimno ya ka MDC ka TMC ka Sadhiarani Sangma da ka batam hadu 1,000 sanspa khandai pusau vote ha ka ni ka election ka badang syudam. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor kani ka MLA bathamai ka Gambegre kalaong ngas ngau baka de ka kam ka bakhya khandian namar ka kam san perthai ka de ka badawa shibun bat nga kermen bangan la ban le kat kum ka jingkhmi lenti jong ki pai ba nalor kata kala kularu ban shimkhya lor ki mat ki bahak khamat ki bakta ki pai ba ka constituency khamtam hakal yang ka jingpen biang ki jaka ajing sumar ki lenti surok bat ka boarding electric. Hooj hakini ki khendiat benai baladem ngaladon hapok kani ke constituency bat ngalayo bakathan kadang kham sadin habayanu jol bat ki weipat ki benta jong kathan rilum garo bat le se ki don shibun ki daw halor kani henry ngasgo ba ki dang don ki jingdon kam bakong san ki bahap ban le kum ki jaka sumar ki surok bat ka boarding electric namar ki dang don bun ba ki shnong ki bompat yok boarding ki don bun teli ki school ki balarem bat jot rathai bat ki dang don bun ba ki shnong ki bom yok surok. Nga tharai kini ki de ki mat ki bahak mat bat nga tharai ngan shim khia ningkong ya kini ki benta ong ka Dr. Mehtab da ka wapen pau ba ki pat ba ka Gambegre ki lajit na ka benta ka roi ka par ka laong ka long ka bashisha nga tharai ka de ka jing angnut ka ba ki pat ba ki la ban sngo tho bat yo ha ki khindiat snam ki bala let no ha ka ba om shem la yo ya ki kam penroi kumta ki kwa ban yadon bentalang no bat ka sarkar bat nga tharai ka ne ka de ka ba ki lajit habo kali ka ne ka MLA bathamai ka laong hooj pin omla ban khmi lenti ya ka ju ka jinglong namar nga dei ka briu ka baya pher kum balong usaleng nga tharai udon la ka jong ka jinglong ngan shim ya ki man henry om hakarukom kum bala shim usaleng nga tharai ki mat ki baya dei bat ka than bat ka constituency hi ki dei ki bakongsan namar ki don ka jinga dei bat ki paj ba kumju habo penpau ya ke jingdon kam jong ki kenthei ban don benta ha ka kam san perthei ka Mehtab ka laong ha ka jingmut ka baklum ngala jukran ya ke ne baki kenthei ki duna bha ha ka kam san perthei nga perkhat ba kani kalawan long namar ba ka kam san perthei ka de ka kam ka ba bat nga rai bangi kum ki kenthei bat kum ki dong ya shim benta ki bayarang kat ha ka imlang salang ngi dei ban mi shu ban ya shim benta bat nga kermen ba manga kum ka we kin sabun ki kenthei ki banang yok men sim ban mi shakhmat ha ka kam san perthei.
It's a little overwhelming job, I think, because politics is something where it's very demanding. So I hope I'll be able to live up to the expectations of the people. Well, you cannot expect the same personality because I'm a very different person from what Saleng is. I think he's got a different personality, and so am I. So I think I am going to take up the issues, but not in terms of what he has done. Issues. I think the issues of the area. The issues of the constituency, of course, and the matters which are related to the public. In this past few months that I have been around in the constituency, I have seen that the area is slightly more backward compared to other parts of Garo Hills. There may be so many reasons for that. So, but I feel like there are still the basic infrastructure that still needs to be addressed, like healthcare and roads and electricity, because there are still so many villages without electricity, so many schools which are in dilapidated conditions, and there are still so many villages which are not connected by roads. So I think those are the things which will matter the most, and I think I will take up these issues first. Of course, I think it was the main idea that people could realize, and they had seen that in the past few years nothing has happened much, so they wanted to be part of the government, and I think that's what they have voted for. I think in general I've been always saying this, that women in politics is very less, and I think that's the nature of how politics has been, because it's a difficult job, it's very demanding, And I think we as a women, as equal participants in the society, should come out more and then participate more. I just hope that me being one, I hope that so many women will get the encouragement that they need to come out and be a part of politics.